Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about scaling up Facebook campaigns. There have been many clients that came to me asking how to improve the campaign performance on Facebook when they have a profitable campaign. Well, Facebook is very tricky because every time you try to massively scale up the budget, you're gonna see a decrease in performance. The reason of that is because Facebook believes that you want to spend more, and therefore they're trying to find more traffic to deliver to and more traffic that can convert. This traffic might end up receiving a premium in terms of cost per click, and because of that premium, your cost per conversion increases and your conversions might actually go down and deteriorate. In order to avoid this issue, the best solution is to actually gradually increase the budget on Facebook on a daily basis. Never increase the budget for more than 30-40% daily. This way the algorithm is going to understand that you want to spend more but preserving the performance that you're actually seeing. This method has been used in many accounts and it has worked much better than just increasing the budget. Additionally, it's very smart to improve the campaign's performance on Facebook by launching new audiences at a small budget to see if they show you any indication of good performance. Anytime you launch a new audience, give at least enough budget to generate one sale or one lead, because if you do not have enough of budget for the campaign, you're never going to see if they're working or not. Because imagine that a campaign that is optimized might convert, for example, with $25 a lead. A new campaign might convert initially at $35 until you optimize it. But if you start a new campaign with a $20 budget, you're not even giving the campaign itself $25 for one conversion, and this is not going to generate any valuable result. So always start new ad sets with enough budget to see if it actually could work for your business, and allow it a little bit of a higher cost at the beginning before you actually scale it up and optimize. I hope you find this helpful. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.